The T-fal Ingenio 3PC set is a space-saving solution for any kitchen. These pots and pans are designed to stack neatly. This feature is really helpful if you have a small kitchen. You get a detachable handle. This handle works on all the pieces. It makes cooking and cleaning easier. The pans can go in the oven and broiler up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a good performance feature. You can cook a variety of meals. The set is also dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after dinner is simple. The onyx black color is modern. It can fit with many kitchen decors. This set is a good addition to any home. Using the T-fal Ingenio 3PC set has made cooking more of a pleasure. The detachable handle is a smart design. It takes up less space than traditional handles. You can easily switch the handle between pans. This makes cooking multiple dishes at once easier. The pans heat evenly. This helps cook food well. I have used them throughout the week. The moisture in the food stays locked in. This makes the food taste better. The pans are lightweight. This is helpful when moving them around. They don't add extra pounds to your cooking experience. My goal was to find cookware that was easy to store and use. This set meets that goal. In comparison to other cookware sets, the T-fal Ingenio 3PC set stands out. It's practical and versatile. The stackable design is a big advantage. It saves a lot of cabinet space. The detachable handle is a unique feature. It simplifies cooking and cleaning. The pans are durable. They have held up well over time. The set is good for everyday cooking. It is also good for special dinners. The T-fal Ingenio 3PC set is a good value for the price. Pros: Nonstick is excellent. Easy storage, removable handles, stackable pans and lids, dishwasher. Safe, oven safe, versatile usage, easy to clean, good durability, IH compatible, space saving. Pretty colors. Cons: handles can melt. Lids aren't dishwasher safe. No lid for largest pan, needs more lids. Taking handles off is annoying. Features: detachable handle, stackable set, induction safe, oven safe, broiler safe, 500F safe, pots and pans, dishwasher safe. 3-piece set, onyx black. The T-fal Ingenio onyx black 3-piece cookware set is designed for easy storage and versatile cooking. It features a detachable handle, allowing the pots and pans to stack neatly. This set works on induction cooktops and is safe for oven and broiler use up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also clean it in the dishwasher, making it convenient for everyday meals. The T-fal Ingenio cookware set is praised for its space-saving design with stackable pans and removable handles, making storage easy. It's versatile, safe for oven and induction cooking, and generally easy to clean. However, some users find removing the handles inconvenient, and there are concerns about the handles melting under high heat. Also, the lids aren't dishwasher safe, and the set lacks sufficient lids, particularly for the largest pan.